booze. I can stick a drink down my booze, put a star in it and drink from it. I've not just a pretty face. I mean, I work in a call centre, but I'm midnight. You're going out, you need 10 pairs of eyelashes, 5 layers of fake tan, and obviously stock your best mate and something. What, can I say ball? The No Angels of the North, the brand new and exclusive series, Geordie Shore, Tuesday at 10, only on MTV.
She knows her stuff is alright for me. Knows a good price when she sees one. Knows topping up price points or working out deals. For a few quid a pop, her lot can slap up daily. Why fork out and share nothing for their fancy bread? When whole meals come up under a few quid instead. She wants only the best, her gets never shows. What she doesn't want though is to pay for her nose. These days you need to watch the pounds and the pence. And for our Iceland one, well,
It's just something.
that's why moons go to Iceland.
In a real Italian pizzeria, the pizza has a rich topping, perfectly balanced with a delicious crispy thin base and a wide menu of flavors. And that's just how Pizza Ristorante is. Ristorante, the pizzeria taste. Ristorante from Dr. Roscoe.
This summer, MTV's making a big splash in Ibiza. We're laying on 10 amazing nights of live music at the legendary Super Club Amnesia. So, grab your suntan lotion, get your mates together, and check out massive acts like Snoop Dogg, Richie Hawkins, Plastic Man, Duran Duran, and Mark Ronson in the Business International at the Friday night event for the Ibiza summer season. To get hold of tickets and to find out the full lineup, just go to mtvibiza.com.
From now on at Pizza Hut, all meals come with unlimited salad, absolutely free. So you can top up on your greens, reds and yellows to your heart's content. And we've gone to town on our pizzas too. Our new and improved Italian range is better than ever. Freshly prepared with a thinner, tastier yellow sauce and finished off with an array of delicious new toppings. Free unlimited salad and our best ever pizzas. Pizza Hut, pizza and so much more.
SkyVegas.com. New games every week. Join today for a completely free buy-down bonus. To play on jackpot games that can grow to £1.5 million. SkyVegas.com. £5 completely free.
Dual new Riggy Extra Ice White to help remove food and drink stains and help maintain your teeth's natural whiteness.
Who's got a case of OSD? That's a special speaker disorder. Hi everyone, I'm Natalie, and this is your FL News Update. There's a new craze that's taken the world by storm, and it's the sneaker thing. Sources in Tokyo tell us there have been sightings of a Kate Hilton sneaker-clad sneaker man. And in Europe, sneaker addicts are taking it old school in a craze not seen since the 80s. How far will this go? You decide. Join the movement at itsasneakerthing.eu.
Ristorante visited best-loved pizza from the freezer, and with special packs you can win Italian kitchenware and holidays every hour. Ristorante, the pizzeria base.